Island. I guess I shouldn't say good morning because it could be whatever time of the day it is for you. Anyway, I have been asked to do a product review, and as you know, I love doing these, and so I'm super excited. Now, this is what I got, and I can't read the name of the company there, but in their emails to me, the company name was Asoko, Asoko Lighting, Asoko Lighting, and this is what I got from them. It's an LED light bar, and it's supposed to go under the cabinet. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it and see what we are working with. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm dumping stuff out on the ground. Oh my, okay. Well, it comes with, well, I guess those are mounting screws and stuff. And it comes with the instructions. And then it has a USB plug. And then apparently it plugs in with USB. So let's see what we got here. Oh, interesting. So it stretches that far. It looks like those two pieces could come apart. I'm not going to take it apart yet, but it does look like it comes apart. Here's my, I would assume this is my on-off button here. And then it's got a nice long USB cord. So I'm not super thrilled that it's corded, because I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, where I'm going to have a cord handy or a plug-in handy. But so this is what we've got, and I will show you some more as soon as I figure out where to put it and what to do with it. Wish me luck. Well, it comes with two different mounting kits. It's got this one here where these are screwed into the underside of whatever cabinet, and then the light just fits into them, and that would be a very permanent solution. And then it also has this double-sided sticky tape that you can use to put it up. Now I'm going to use a double-sided sticky tape because I'm not sure if this is where I'm going to keep it. I am going to put it up here underneath my kitchen cabinet because it's this shelf or this counter here, what I'm working on, where I don't have very good light. And that light that's back there that's on, it's used by this switch here, it gets super hot. So and it doesn't really provide that much light. So I'd rather not use it at all. So I'm gonna get this mounted and we'll see how it goes. And look at that. Look at all that light that I have there. I kind of love that. Now this is supposed to be motion sensitive. I've got it underneath the counter, so it shouldn't go on unless I like come and swing my hand under this motion sensor. But I'm gonna see if it goes off by itself. I love that I have all that light on the counter now. So let's clean some of this disaster up and see how this light goes before I talk. It came with these little guys here, which are hooks for your cord, because your cord basically has to stay in there. Oh, see, look, it went off and it came back on because I made motion. Okay, so I kind of love that it just will come on and off. So I'm gonna get these mounted up. Maybe I'll have Dave do this because he's really good at putting cords in things so they look nice and neat. So we'll maybe have him do that part. But I'll show you when it's done. The thing that I don't like is that it kind of flickers off unless you're right under it. So when I go away from it a little bit, it will flicker off and I have to move close again for it to flicker on again. So that's a little bit annoying, but I love the light that it's given me on this counter, and I love that it's so easy to use. So yeah, if you have a spot where your lighting is crappy like mine was here, this is a fantastic little gadget for you to use. That's what I say.